This is my video, guys. This is my patient that came through. Welcome to day 7 of Waxvent.
Yes.
We do this every year because we're always like kind of not sure what days we're on at the moment. And,
because we record a few of them together, you see, so we always forget what day we're supposed to be doing.
Gosh. So we got standard size on the tube. You can see it's this one is looking pretty full. It's quite a deep set wax as well. We're just going to try and get a good grip here. Give it a little bit of a wiggle, which I'm hoping is going to take the whole thing away. But it's just really, it's holding on. I'm trying to detach it, so that's why I'm going in sort of different sections, different areas. You can see look how full that is. Didn't actually look that full to start with. And if I can remember this one, it just keeps coming.
Oh, does it? Thank you very much for new head gear as well, guys.
Oh yeah, thank you, guys.
Some of it is green, so you may not see some of it. It might just look like we just got some flashing orbs above our head. But we are actually wearing some. These are fab. These are tartan. I like these. These are
they're
smart.
nice to be fair.
Yeah, they're smart.
Snowflakes on them.
Yeah, lovely. It's coming away though.
I started to.
It's a narrow entrance, rather, isn't it?
Yeah, it's quite a long piece, so we're trying to draw it round the little bend in the ear. So if you don't know, most people's ear canals, and say most people's, pretty much everyone should be, but you get the occasional ear that's like dead straight.
Yeah.
But most people's ear canals will be in the shape of a letter S, so it'll be like a couple of little curves in there. And it's quite tricky sometimes to get the like drier pieces of wax around these little bends. So we've managed to break a little bit away, and I've decided to go in with the Jobson horn. This is the sort of the thicker Jobson horn. This is the kind of round one. I'm trying to just draw it forwards and creating a little gap there now. Oh, you can see it just starting to kind of almost roll up from.
It's almost there, isn't
it? It's just trying to nip behind it.
Yeah.
Oh, I've got a good grip here.
Oh, that's a nice grip.
Nope.
God, that's thick, isn't it? That's tough.
It's a tough.
That's
tough
really solid. Really solid.
There we are. We got the gap. Watch this start to roll up from the bottom now. There we go. It's what we always like to see.
That's the one we
Yeah.
Nice big chunky piece there as well that came away.
I always need to remember to slow down when I'm coming out of the ear.
Yeah.
It's a bit awkward when you've got like a family member sitting on your shoulder and
to pretend you're frozen.
Yeah.
Like the Matrix kind of thing. That'll be handy if you could take the wax out like that. That'd be great, like bullet time.
Just a little bit of tidying up here now. Patient's hearing so much better already. Blockage is clear, but we just got these little bits of like dry skin that are just holding on. There we go. It's peeled away quite nicely. Eardrums looking nice and healthy.
Perfect.
And we've got the exact same pretty much on this side.
Very similar. If anything, it might look slightly softer.
Yeah, it looks a little bit more like wet almost.
Yeah. I think that's skin though, rather than it being sort of oiled. It looks like that's just a flap of skin, is it?
Yeah, and you can see it already. It lifted, started to get a bit of movement. Oh, it's going to come out nice and easy.
Yeah. No. Yeah, it does look like it's just peeled along. All that front section's peeled down. It's just heading. It looks like it's all coming away nicely.
It's starting to very, very slowly. I think this was quite a deep set wax as well.
It depends how far back that skin goes, doesn't it? Because if that skin is really, it goes most of the way down the ear canal, as much as you lift this front end, you'll always have that back end of it that's going to hold on really tightly.
Oh, there we go. Look at it starting to peel. Starting to peel.
It's just holding on the left-hand side, is it?
Yeah. That's right, I'm wiggling it like loads here. You can see it just pop out then. Lovely. And we've got another section. It shouldn't, usually they shouldn't be as bad when you start taking out that all that kind of skin and wax that was attached to start with.
Was that on the move? I can't tell. I didn't see it wiggling, but
yeah, slightly, I think.
A bit Barry White going on today. Was you deep today, voice?
Yeah, a bit husky. My vocal cords are a bit bit broken at the moment.
Oh, never. Oh, I would guess.
It's that time of year.
I went to Lapland. My son got invited to Lapland UK. Right, so we went to Lapland. Guess who I saw in Lapland UK?
I don't know.
Toby Fowltown.
Do?
They did, yeah.
Toby.
But it says, Toby, fangirled. What did I say? Toby Falter. He was like, yeah. I was like, have you had a nice day?
Don't know what to say.
Yeah. Have you been a good boy all year, Toby Falter? Because Merry Christmas. He was like, oh, Merry Christmas.
He's a big
Welsh
guy
rugby
as
player.
well.
He's, do you know what? I'm surprised how big he was. He's a lump, in a good way. He's a unit, not a lump. A unit. He's a big chap.
Yeah, he's a Welsh international rugby player.
He was really nice in fairness. Yeah, he was a really nice bloke. That's the same because last year, Christmas. No, was it last year? Christmas too. We saw. Who did we see last year?
Sam Warburton.
Sam Warburton. Yeah, ex-Welsh rugby captain as well.
Sam, if you're watching.
Hi, Sam. He's always, of course he does. And Toby watches.
He always watches.
He's a massive fan. Of course he is. Yeah, he was just as shocked to see me as I was to see him, I gotta be honest.
There we go. Massive piece we got out there. Going off on a tangent
we
again.
We got topic again. We got off topic again. I had a great time.
Wonder if we see anyone tonight or not. We'll do.
Oh, might do, yeah. You never know. Oh, you can see why this was holding on.
We just had a massive plug out. We're still going. This is the one I was thinking of. It just keeps coming. And I was like, oh, more again. I said I've taken a plug about this big out.
Yeah, and that's not even a small piece. That's still pretty huge. That is. Blink your neck.
Patient was actually surprised how much came out. So I did have the fine end on there, but I've swapped to the standard tube now that I've loosened it and pulled it forwards.
Oh, there it goes.
There you go. Just to try and get that better grip. Yeah, excuse the voice, guys. I know I'm sounding a little bit husky at the moment.
That's his phone voice, guys.
Too much singing it is.
Is that what have you been singing about?
It's a bit of everything, to be
Barbie
honest.
Girl.
Yeah, it's all the classics.
Dancing Queen, Straight in Bed.
In the shower.
Oh god.
So we got 5.5 centimeters. Just under 5.5.
I'm gonna go just over an inch and three. No, just over an inch and a half. I'm gonna go on that one. I think.
So quite a decent amount that came out of those ears, to be fair.
Fair old amount. Well, guys, thanks very much for watching our video again today and joining us for another day of Waxvent. If you do enjoy the videos, don't forget you can always like, heart, share, follow, and subscribe. If you thoroughly enjoy the videos, you can also consider becoming members, and that way then you get even more videos on top of your Waxvent videos. But as always, guys, take care of yourselves.
Take care of your ears.
And take care of one another, and we shall see you again soon. Bye, everybody.
Bye.